If you're seeing a network error on itch.io, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll go step by step, so you can get back to browsing, downloading, and using itch.io without the frustration. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing to try is a simple page refresh. Sometimes a network error happens because the page didn't load correctly the first time, and refreshing is all you need. Go ahead and reload itch.io and see if the issue disappears. If it still shows the error, move on to the next step. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores old site data, and that can cause loading issues or connection problems with websites like itch.io. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached files and cookies. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and visit itch.io again to test it. Another very important step is to turn off your VPN if you're using one. Some websites can flag VPN traffic or have trouble connecting through certain VPN servers, which can trigger a network error. Disable your VPN temporarily, refresh itch.io, and check whether the site loads properly. If it works after turning off the VPN, then the VPN was likely the cause. If the problem continues, try a different browser. Sometimes the issue is not itch.io itself, but a browser extension, a browser setting, or a temporary browser glitch. Open another browser on your device like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, and try loading itch.io there. If it works in the second browser, you'll know the original browser is the problem. You should also check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily cause a network error on any website. Test another website to make sure your internet is working properly. If other sites are also loading slowly or not opening at all, restart your router or switch to a different network if possible. Then try itch.io again. If you've gone through all of these steps and itch.io still gives you a network error, wait a few minutes and try again later. Sometimes the issue can be temporary on the website side, or there may be a short connection problem that resolves on its own. So to recap, the main fixes are refreshing the page, clearing your browser cache and cookies, turning off your VPN, trying a different browser, and checking your internet connection. These simple steps solve most itch.io network error issues without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.